In this video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY lip balm naturally with beetroot and coconut oil for soft pink lips. Do you have cracked and dark lips? This is really a common issue, especially in the winter. Your lips can become sore and they become dark in colour. The darkness and the dryness of your lips can affect your overall facial beauty. Also, due to the excessive pollution and UV rays in the environment, our lips can become dark and dull. To solve this beauty issue, in today's video I'm going to share with you a 100% effective recipe to make beetroot lip balm at home to get soft pink lips. This natural balm will make your lips super soft and pink. The main ingredient is beetroot, which is one of the most inexpensive ingredients found in the kitchen. It has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which will help in getting rid of discoloration of the lips. It also helps your lips to become plump, pink and moisturised. To make this ingredient you're going to need 1 beetroot, 1 vitamin E capsule and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To make this lip balm, take a beetroot and then grate it. After this, extract beetroot juice by straining the grated beetroot. Next, take 1 teaspoon of beetroot juice. In it add 1 capsule of vitamin E and then take 1 teaspoon of coconut oil and let it melt. After this, add this coconut oil into the bowl. Now mix all the ingredients well and make it into a smooth mixture. The best DIY lip balm to get soft pink lips naturally is now ready to use. You can store this lip balm for up to 20 days. Apply this lip balm to your lips at night and let it work overnight. For the best results, use it regularly to get soft and pink lips. This homemade beetroot lip balm is easy to make and use, and it's also cost effective, and it contains no chemicals. So if your lips are dry and dark and you do not like them, this remedy will work for you. Follow this simple remedy to make this natural lip balm and you too will get soft pink lips naturally. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on a dry lip cure. Thanks for watching and bye for now.